now we are planning to go to Garden by the Bay, and for that we need to go through a few sites. Like for example, this is the Dragonfly Bridge. Why is it called Dragonfly? Because the lake that you'll see now is the Dragonfly Lake. More than a scenic treat, the lake is a rich source of aquatic life of fish to plants. A 440-meter broad walk along the Dragonfly Lake is one of the many secret gems and a fantastic photographic spot. Must visit. When you come to Garden by the Bay, there are various gardens that you can go to. You can go to Chinese garden, then Malay garden, then there is an Indian garden, and so far I've seen only those. I won't be going into the detail of those and seeing each one because I need to head to the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest. You have to get down at Bayfront MRT station, and the tickets for the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest are like 23 or 28. Yeah, 28 Singaporean dollars if you buy it on the spot here, or else you can book online from, I got like I think 10% off or 13% off from Klook. I am going to put down the link in the description box, so go check that out. And so I got my ticket for $23 for Cloud Forest and the Flower Dome, and I have been there before, but I thought I must go and show you around because it's really beautiful. So see you. So we have come to the Cloud Forest. It's very noisy, so I'm going to just shoot around and then fill you on with details down here. Taken the sight of breathtaking mountain views surrounded by diverse vegetation and hidden floral gems, it is worth it. Cloud Forest occupies 0.8 hectares, that is about as big as 1.5 regular football fields. Imagine that big. To the Flower Dome. The last entry is at 8 o'clock and it's already 7. You know, if you want to watch everything in detail, so you should take out actually one full day if you want to explore all the bits and pieces of this place, since there is a lot of knowledge to enlighten yourself with. But since we are running out of time and the closing time is at 8, we couldn't stop by for long. As you step into the Flower Dome, you will stand in awe with this spectacular and innovative nature creation that man has made, and you can't resist but click thousands of pictures, so better have memory in your phone. It is spread over 1.2 hectares and is larger than the cloud forest. And if you would know, it is the largest glass greenhouse in the world as listed in the 2015 Guinness World Records. So yeah, this is truly amazing. I had very little time to go around, but I have clicked a few beautiful shots. Go ahead to my Instagram account and check them out. Now heading to the Super Tree Show, which is the last to do for the day.
Some lights and musical treats. Tonight we present Garden Waltz. So pick a spot, grab your cameras and enjoy the show.
You can watch it right after while sleeping. And my head is not gonna go like that. We just got done with our show at Super Tree Rhapsody. There are two shows every day, one at 7:45 and one at 8:45. We got the 8:45 show, and yeah, it was great. And there are no charges for that. You can come watch the show. There are many other gardens at Garden by the Bay, except for like the cloud forest and the flower dome. You can just come, take a stroll around, click a lot of pictures, and yeah, these days traveling is all about clicking pictures and images. So that's it. Now just heading back home. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in another vlog.